Bara, capybara,
Kilala ang bayan ng Mahayhay sa Laguna dahil sa Taytay Falls. Pero alam niyo ba na makikita sa Barangay Corralao ang isang sanctuary that provides a safe haven for wildlife in need? APA Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Park is a sanctuary committed to rescuing, rehabilitating, and conserving animals of all species within their capacity. Dito ay inaalagaan yung mga animals that are no longer capable to live freely in the wild due to their existing disabilities, which make them have a lower survival rate. Kagaya ni Sniper na isang white-bellied sea eagle na bulag ang left eye, at ni Sierra na isang orange tiger that was declawed by its previous handler, which is an extreme form of animal cruelty and can have long-lasting physical and behavioral effects on tigers. The whole park is spacious enough for some animals to freely roam around depending on their conditions. You will also see other animals here with unique characteristics such as this white tiger, albino carabao, white peacock, and Brahma chicken. And they recently have these cute capybaras too. The park owners are advocating for biodiversity too. They also aim to inspire future generations to appreciate and benefit from the rich diversity of wildlife. Kaya naman bawat hayop dito ay inaalagaan talaga. The park is open every Tuesday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And these are the rates. So you can also have one free animal feeding when you book your tickets online. So the link is in my bio. And make sure to use the code CJAPA Wildlife to get more discounts kasi syempre ayaw natin nagbabayad ng full price. Alam nyo yan. And if you want more animal feedings and pictorials, here are the rates. Meron din pala silang in-house restaurant dito which you can try after a long day of roaming around in the park. The ambience is very cozy and mala vintage yung vibe nila dito. We tried their crispy kare-kare, pako salad, shrimp kebab, and chicken curry which are all good and made of organic ingredients. Lalo na itong kare-kare nila na ang sauce ay gawa sa mani talaga. And here's a commute guide going to APA Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Park.